Understanding by Design, or UBD for short, is a framework for simplifying how we create learning content, famous for accurately revealing the steps needed to learn something. It was invented in 1998 by Wiggins and McTighe with the goal to remove the guesswork from learning creation, which often causes us to include irrelevant activities and information that distract from the goal, creating boredom and confusion for learners. It's sometimes known as backwards design for good reason. Instead of predicting the steps learners need to take to reach the goal, we imagine what an expert in the topic looks like and trace each of their steps back to reveal the journey they took to get there, giving us a template to recreate that journey for our learners. It's kind of like jumping into the future and then slowly moving backwards in time to see each event in history that created that future. It works by first defining the goal learners need to reach, identifying what products or behaviours they need to develop for reaching that goal, and then breaking down the skills and knowledge needed to develop those products and behaviours step by step through a sequence of activities. For example, if we were going to teach someone how to become a time traveller, we're going to need to know a few things. First, we're going to need to know how to operate the time machine, including how to get to our destination, how to keep it running, and how to return back to where we started, which means we're going to need to know how the controls work. And to use those controls, we're going to need to know the basic rules of time travel, including the concept of past, present, and future. What we're left with is the steps along with the order we have to do them in to operate our time machine. Then from this point, we're able to start building activities and content to help our learners build the skills required for each of these steps. And now you know how to create learning material without filler, using the Understanding by Design framework. This has been Understanding by Design in 100 seconds. If you'd like to know more tips and techniques on how to create effective learning, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any requests for future episodes, make like a tree and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and that's your learning for today. You're welcome.